In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the creator care mode in the comments filter so that any inappropriate or offensive comments will be blocked automatically. Also, it will read your previous history as well. So if you have deleted comments or reported the comments or disliked the comments from specific people, it will identify the similar comments and it will automatically block the next time they come from the same people or the same kinds of comments. So what you can do is, first of all, head over to the profile section from the bottom right hand corner and click on the three lines at the top right. From here we click on settings and privacy, and under here we scroll down a little bit until we see this interactions menu or section. We click on the comments from here and just make sure to enable this here, and this will automatically be enabled and start working immediately. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.